In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order fulfillment in Shopify. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to reverse a fulfillment decision, whether due to a change in customer request or inventory issue, this guide will walk you through all the necessary steps in a clear and concise manner. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Accessing the back end of your Shopify store is the crucial first step, as it's where you have control over your orders and their fulfillment statuses. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and navigate over to the Orders section. This will give you a comprehensive list of all orders currently processed in your store. Next, identify and click on the specific order that contains the fulfillment you need to cancel. This action will take you to the Order Details page, providing you with more in-depth information about the transaction, including fulfillment progress, customer details, and more. Once you've opened the specific order, the next step is to locate the fulfillment section you're aiming to cancel. Look for the part of the page labeled Fulfilled. This section will show details about which items have been marked as fulfilled and at what stage they are in the fulfillment process. Spot the specific fulfillment that you need to address. To cancel this fulfillment, find the three dots, also known as the More Actions button, located next to the fulfillment status. Click on this button, and when the drop-down menu appears, select Cancel Fulfillment. As a word of caution, keep in mind this action may prompt you to confirm the cancellation or even provide a reason, depending on your particular Shopify setup. It's always good practice to keep your reasons concise and clear for your records. Once you've completed this step, your order will conveniently revert to an unfulfilled state. This means the inventory will be updated accordingly, showing those items as available once again. However, if the fulfillment is already in progress or has been shipped out, an added layer of communication is necessary. In these instances, it's advisable to reach out to your shipping carrier promptly to halt the shipping process. It's also important to note that if you've already printed a shipping label for this order through Shopify, you might need to void this label before being able to successfully cancel the fulfillment. This added step ensures no additional shipping charges are involved if the package is never sent. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel an order fulfillment within Shopify, ensuring your store remains up to date and accurate, while saving you and your customers any unnecessary hassle. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your Shopify store.